All right, guys, so the other day we did a video about our cover crop, and a lot of people were talking about it, how it was really interesting, but we didn't tell you what was in it. So people say, like, I want to grow something like that. So what is that? So what we've got here is this is cereal rye. That's the first thing. Now, cereal rye overwinters, so it's you plant it in the fall. All this you plant in the fall. And cereal rye is mainly for, it's going to hold the soil in place, and it's going to provide a lot of biomass. And so what you see above the soil, about 50% of it is also below the soil. So you see all this green stuff above, you've also got all that green stuff below the soil, which is feeding the soil in there. So this is a cereal. We also have vetch. So this is vetch right here. Now vetch has really pretty purple flowers. Vetch and clover, this is clover right here. This is crimson clover, which is gorgeous, is a legume. So they're actually putting nitrogen down the soil. They capture the nitrogen up in the atmosphere and they put it down into the soil. So it's free fertilizer for us. And then in here, we've got, I think we got some, peas. Here's field peas. Now, field peas typically don't survive the winter, but they did this year, and they're also going to provide some nitrogen as well. And then we also, you can't see it now, but last year we had oats in here, which didn't survive, and then we also had tillage radish. Now, tillage radish is basically, this field looked like a whole giant field of radishes. And what they do is they put long radishes, roots down into the soil, help break up compaction, help bring up nutrients from down in there. And so all of these different crops work together in like basically a cocktail of cover crop mix. And what happens is each one provides a little bit of awesomeness to the soil. And in the essence, we basically, because we mix them all instead of doing just one type, they give a much better just gift to the soil of all these nutrients and benefits.